1,000-kilometre journey across Australia, heading up the Supercharger Highway to Rockhampton, then making a sharp left turn across Queensland and the Northern Territory, charging where we can. Hi, this is my packing list for the trip to Darwin, as you can see down here. So we've got a fair bit of stuff. Some of the stuff I may not need, but you know, it's worth taking along. So I've got a tent. This is an easy up tent from Aldi. Should do the job. I've had a bit of camping equipment already, so that was already there. I've got a couple of stretchers. 2 people stretchers, 2 stretchers, 2 sleeping bags, 2 mats to go over the stretchers, and these are just old sun chair mats. So I'm taking camping equipment. I'm not really sure whether I need it, but just in case hotels are booked out, we can always camp. And if you're staying at a caravan park, good option to camp. To camp you need some equipment, so I've got some basic cooking equipment here. Again, I already had camping stuff, so it's gas bottles, billy, plates, knives and forks and stuff. I'm going to Darwin, so fishing rod, need one of those. I might hire a bike in Darwin, so I've got a helmet and so forth. A couple of old CB radios, which I just had from years ago. I've got a snatch strap. Now, why would you need a snatch strap? Well, just in case you need someone has to tow you for some period of time. That's just an old 4-wheel drive thing I had, so I've taken it along anyway. I've got just a picnic rug with some few basic tools, screwdrivers and so forth. Not that I'll need those for the car because there's not much I can do, but we'll see what happens with that. I've got an air compressor set, so that's just a Ryobi rechargeable one with a rechargeable thing. That should do the whole thing. The spare tyre, I've got obviously the spare tyre and jack and these little plugs, and this is a little modified jack that has that on there, and a couple of camping chairs. And there it is, all packed away. It's in there, tyres in there, still a fair bit of space around the edges. All good to go. Now you may have noticed that I haven't included any charging equipment in this presentation. That's because I'm still picking up some stuff from the Tesla Owners Club in Brisbane on the way through. So by day 2 or 3 I should be able to show you what I'm using for charging in those remote areas. But anyway, please like, subscribe and share amongst your friends, and I'll see you next time.